Callie Lutz. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I restore vintage Airstreams. I have always kind of had a knack for putting different patterns and colors together, and I've always been interested in clothes and fashion, and ever since I got started in interior design, it's kind of transferred over, and I've noticed that it's really helped me knowing what looks good together. So some of our customers will come in with a 70s Airstream that needs absolutely everything gutted. They need the subfloor taken out, the insulation, they need everything from the ground up, built new. And then we have other ones who will come in and want just very cosmetic things, and they just want paint on the cabinets or little minimal things like that. So I have kind of multiple different styles. In the summer, I dress more bohemian and wear feminine dresses and that sort of thing. And in the winter, I wear a bunch of big oversized sweaters and boots and yeah, kind of a little bit of everything. I really love bringing something that's from the 70s or 80s and it's old and outdated, and I love bringing new life into it and adding colors and different textures, and it's really cool to see the whole process.